Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how I came up with these Halloween press-on nails. Make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload, and let's get started. So the gel that I am going to be using for the black is actually Gelin. It's the Soak Off Nail Gel. Right now I'm kind of just looking through things and seeing what I want. But I was showing you my ab swatches, I always do that, my AB gel swatches for the blood that I want to use. But anyway, we're going to use the Gelin for the black. I'm speeding through this because I really want to show you guys in a quick way. It doesn't have to be, I just wanted to make this video a bit shorter because I feel like we all know how to apply gel, right? Okay, so I'm going to apply 2 coats though. And I always measure my press-ons. If it's not for a custom order, I measure my press-ons with my hands. You know what I mean? And it's funny because most people, I don't know, I just feel like they have the same size as me. Okay, so I'm letting that cure. I'm going to do the next set. But as you can see over there, the AB gel, the 809 and the 808, I just want to see which one is working perfectly on a black surface. You know what I mean? If it's really showing, like it's really bright red. That 809 is like a jelly gel, honestly. It comes out like see-through. It's red, it's dark red, but it's see-through, which I love, which will be better on an all-white surface. So I end up not using that one. Guys, so I got the 2 coats on all of the nails for the black. So I'm going to be using these stickers that I ordered from AliExpress for Halloween. They're not stickers, they're actually water decals. Whatever they call them. It's always a different name, but they have to be activated in water. So you have to drop it in water, to get it to slide off the paper. and then I put it on the nail. So on my thumbs, I wanted like a skull on each thumb, a skull and a heart. So I take my little piece, my little separate thing. I don't know the names of most things, guys, if you haven't realized. But I take my little pink magnet for an individual press on so that I can get into detail. I'm just going to choose, like you saw me struggling trying to figure out how to do it. So I put it in water for like 15 seconds and was able to slide it right off the paper and put it on the nail, and I'm trying to get all the air bubbles out. All right, so I'm going to do it again. Now that I know how to do it, I'm going to do it again with the heart and put that at closer to the top of the nail. It just takes me a little second to get things, you know? Come on, Corinne. You can work a little faster than that. Okay, yeah, so I got the heart. Now I'm an expert, right? But I got the heart. Now I'm going to place that on there, and they really do like stick. You know what I mean? So I just want to make sure I'm flattening it out and getting those air bubbles out of there. And then I'm going to do a top layer, a top coat of top gel. I use my Beetles because in the last video I told you guys that I ran out of my Gelin, which is one of my favorite top gels. So after I get the layer on there, I'm going to cure it and start on the next thumb. And do the same kind of variation with the heart, but maybe a different skull. I honestly, when I ordered these, I didn't know they weren't stickers. Water decals are great too, but stickers are just, you know, much faster and easier. So as you can see, it's getting easier for me to take it off. Okay, so I kind of messed up here. I put it on the wrong side. Because it's a half face, I want it to be, that half face to be actually like on the edge, you know, like that. I think it looks better like that. Who knows? So yeah, I do that, and I'm going to do the heart again. Let's see. Let's see. Do, 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 do. Okay, I wanted to get started on Halloween nails because I just, oh, that's not the heart. I'm doing the, what is that called? The words. Anyway, I wanted to get started, get a head start on Halloween nails because I feel like 2020 Halloween is going to be probably the biggest, craziest Halloween we've ever had, just because everybody's ready to get out the house. It's just going to be fun. It's going to be awesome. And guys, you can always order these from my Etsy shop. They are available. If you do order them and you love them, make sure to leave a great review for them, because that really helps. Alright, so now that we've cured both of the thumbs with the water decals on them, now I'm going to start doing the blood, the dripping blood. Great effect. I love doing this. I've done many nails with dripping, whatever it may be, but finally I get to do blood. Alright, so I did try this one and I saw that it's just not going to come out like really bold on the black surface. I'm going to use that on a white one day, but it is perfect for a lighter surface. So now I'm going to use that 808. Well, I'm still trying it out, sorry. This voiceover just gets better and better, doesn't it? Okay. So now after we see, we're going to go to the 808. Look how bright that 808 is. Very bright. I'm going to use my dotter or pointer. I don't know what this is called, but the tool that I'm using, I'll put it in the link. I'll put a link in the description below for it. I did purchase it off of Amazon, and it's perfect for making like, you know, like splatter or whatever. So I'm just connecting the blood, putting a nice amount up there. I love using this tool because it has a textured layer, make it look a little 3D. Just awesome. So I'm not going to talk this whole time. I've talked pretty much almost the entire video, but we're just going to keep speeding through. I'm going to do the same thing to the rest of the nails, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. Okay guys, so while we're finishing it off with top coat, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload, alright? Okay guys, so I really love this look. It is super cute. I think I'm going to be very creative with Halloween nails this season. And they're going to be on sale right away. So if you guys want to purchase, don't forget to visit my Etsy shop. The link is in the description below. And I'll show you guys what they actually look like on my hand. And when I put them on my hand, I just use stickers. I don't use glue because I'm just trying them on. Okay, come on. There we go. So yeah, they're long coffin. They look so pretty. I love the thumb. The blood drip is wonderful. Just gives it a certain you know. Alright guys. So here they are in the box. Very pretty. Whoever purchased this set, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.